Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 richest companies in the world. These giants, much like the awe-inspiring creatures we find in nature, dominate the global market with their immense wealth and influence. Their reach extends to every corner of the planet, shaping our lives in ways both profound and subtle. From the technology we use to the products we consume, these behemoths of industry play a pivotal role in the intricate tapestry of our global economy. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of these corporate titans, exploring their origins, their strategies, and the secrets to their extraordinary success. Over the next few minutes, we will unveil the stories behind these economic powerhouses, examining their impact on our world and the legacy they continue to build. Our journey begins with Apple, a company synonymous with sleek design and cutting-edge technology. From its humble beginnings in a California garage, Apple has grown into a global behemoth, its iconic logo instantly recognizable in every corner of the world. Apple's success is deeply rooted in its relentless pursuit of innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with products like the iPhone, the iPad, and the Apple Watch. Its vast app ecosystem and loyal customer base have cemented its position as a leader in the tech industry. Next, we turn our attention to Microsoft, a company that has become synonymous with the personal computer. Its Windows operating system, much like the intricate network of a termite colony, has become the foundation upon which billions of devices operate, connecting people and businesses across the globe. But Microsoft's reach extends far beyond the desktop. Its cloud computing platform, Azure, has become a dominant force in the digital age, providing the infrastructure for countless businesses and organizations. Our journey takes us next to Amazon, a company that has revolutionized the way we shop. Like a vast rainforest teeming with life, Amazon's online marketplace offers an astonishing array of products, from everyday essentials to rare and unusual finds. But Amazon's ambitions extend far beyond the digital storefront. Its cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, has become a behemoth in its own right, providing the backbone for countless websites and applications. Our exploration now leads us to Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a name synonymous with the vast and ever-expanding digital universe. Like a black hole, Google's search engine draws in information from every corner of the internet, organizing and indexing it with astonishing efficiency. But Alphabet's influence extends far beyond search. Its Android operating system powers billions of smartphones, while its YouTube platform has become the world's stage for video content. Our journey takes us next to Meta, formerly known as Facebook, a company that has fundamentally changed the way we connect with one another. Like a vast colony of ants, Facebook's social network links billions of individuals, allowing them to share their lives, thoughts, and experiences. But Meta's ambitions extend far beyond the newsfeed. Its investments in virtual reality and the metaverse signal its intent to shape the future of social interaction in the digital realm. We turn our attention now to Berkshire Hathaway, a company that stands apart from the tech titans that dominate our list. Led by the legendary investor Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway is a conglomerate with its tentacles in a diverse array of industries, from insurance and energy to railroads and consumer goods. Like a wise old tortoise, Berkshire Hathaway has built its success on a foundation of patience, discipline, and a long-term investment horizon. Our journey takes us next to Tesla, a company that is electrifying the automotive industry. Like a bolt of lightning, Tesla has disrupted the status quo, challenging the dominance of traditional automakers with its sleek, high-performance electric vehicles. But Tesla's vision extends far beyond the open road. Its investments in renewable energy and battery technology are paving the way for a more sustainable future. Our exploration now takes us to Alibaba, a company that has played a pivotal role in China's economic transformation. Like a bustling marketplace in the heart of Beijing, Alibaba's e-commerce platforms connect buyers and sellers from across China and around the world. But Alibaba's influence extends far beyond online shopping. Its cloud computing division, Ant Group, has become a major player in China's financial technology sector. Our journey continues with Tencent, a company that has become deeply embedded in the daily lives of billions of people in China and beyond. Its WeChat app, much like a digital Swiss Army knife, offers a vast ecosystem of services. From messaging and social media to payments and mobile gaming, Tencent's success is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate, constantly evolving its offerings to meet the changing needs of its users. Our final stop takes us to Johnson & Johnson, a company with a long and storied history in the healthcare industry. For over a century, Johnson & Johnson has been a trusted name in households around the world, providing a wide range of pharmaceutical products, medical devices, and consumer health goods. Like a dedicated physician, Johnson & Johnson is committed to improving the health and well-being of people around the world, from developing life-saving medications to creating innovative surgical tools. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's wealthiest companies. We've witnessed the scale of their operations, the ingenuity of their products and services, and the profound impact they have on our lives. These corporate titans, much like the forces of nature that shape our planet, will continue to evolve and adapt, driving innovation and influencing the course of the global economy for years to come. Their stories are a testament to the power of human ingenuity, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Stay tuned for more insights into the giants shaping our global economy.